Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled to take place today, and we have already seen all the leaks, design rumors and specs in the past few months, but there is also some rumors that we look for last minute leaks. Yesterday there was an unboxing of the S23 Ultra, showcasing three different official colors, which is titanium yellow, titanium violet and titanium gold. The box features color matched silhouettes of the S24 Ultra that look identical to the boxes of S22 and S23 Ultra. The trio of videos give a glimpse of the new titanium frames, which will be exclusive to this year's Ultra model. The other notable bit is that Samsung decided to match the colors of the back and frame on the yellow and silver model, while with the former getting a golden-like frame, while the latter getting a silver finish. The purple version has a contrasting silver frame. It's pretty disappointing that Samsung has not changed the phone's design, apart from going from a curved screen back to a flat screen. That is another disappointment because Samsung was the first phone to give the curved screen in the form of the Note Edge. But now Samsung has also gone back to the old form. Hope the phone is lighter than this year's S23 Ultra, and let's see the pricing how it will be. As you know, Samsung just launched the title of the largest smartphone manufacturer in the world. Hope Samsung can surprise everyone with cheaper pricing of $50 to $100, but that is just wishful thinking.